139 Greenbrier, December 17th, 2025. Furthest we can get our camera due to a blockage in terracotta piping in this section. Can be seen on the screen now. Pulling back to a clean out and stack located inside the garage.